Hello, welcome to Go Beyond Betty. Today we're going to make a fast little appetizer or snack for any time, and they are called shishito peppers. So if you've ever seen these in the grocery store, you might think they're crazy hot, and for the most part they're not. I do often call them Russian roulette though, because out of 20 you're going to get one that's going to blow your top a little bit. But for the most part, they're just yummy and delicious. So you can eat pretty much the whole pepper down to the stem. You can cook them high heat, olive oil and salt if you want to just keep it simple, but today we're going to do them a little bit more Asian inspired. I'm going to use my gorgeous smithy. It's not as deep as I would like, but that's okay. I just really like the high heat that I can get this to. We're going to get this to them pretty hot, but not so hot that it's going to set off our fire alarm. That's the plan. If I knew the alarm wasn't going off, I'd get it cranking hot. Come on over.
For the record, it's my smithy.
It is your smithy.
Thank you.
That I bought.
For me.
Alright, so I'm going to use avocado oil. Our pan is super hot. You want something with a really high smoke point, and use a generous amount. It's going to be loud. Make sure your dogs are in the other room. Even louder if I had water on these, which I don't. So just throw them in. You're going to want to just keep an eye on them. Keep turning them. And it probably would take about 5 to 7 minutes. So just keep moving them around, getting them in the oil and getting them blistered. So as they're getting really hot, you want them blistered all over, and they'll start getting really soft, and then you'll know it's done. Like this one is much more tender than the rest. They're pretty much all done. I took a few off early that were done. And now we need to season them up. I like to use just a little drizzle of sesame oil, a very delicate oil. So we just need a little drizzle of it. The next thing I want to use is one of my favorite things. It's ponzu. So ponzu, it's a Japanese sauce. It's liquidy like soy sauce, and actually that is the first ingredient. But it also has a lot of citrus in here, like yuzu, which is a Japanese citrus. What else is in here? Vinegar, sugar, salt, but it's tart but salty, so that's why we don't really have to add any granule salt. The last thing we're going to add is furikake. So this is just a rice seasoning. It's a blend of like seaweed, sesame seeds, and a couple other random things. So we're just going to sprinkle that in there. And that is it. Vegan, gluten-free, but honestly just yummy and delicious for the most part. So a great little appetizer. So when you go to eat them, just kind of grab them by the tail. Woo, hot. But super delicious. Watch out, sink. Score. Delicious. I love tons of this stuff. So again, you can use this stuff on rice and more things. Yummy, easy appetizer. Took probably all told about 8 minutes on the skillet. And just something new and flavorful to add to any kind of dish. So thank you for joining me at Go Beyond Betty, where you are taking whisks in the kitchen. We'll see you again next time. Bye.
What do you want
Like
people
and
to do?
subscribe.